Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's USTC update for Wednesday 29th of June. Now I am in incredible profit with this coin, to be honest with you. I've been buying it when it was really down, and what we have right now is three white soldiers. Do you see? I did Google for you. So when you see three green candles back to back, that's known as a three white soldier, and by the look of things you're really coming up here to take the 7377. But I don't think this the party stops right there. Okay, the party doesn't really stop, because what I'm going to say is, look at the golden ratio technical target. Okay, you've already crossed the 0.618, so you're looking for 4776 to be held, and put this tick right over there, and you're looking for a 0.11585 technical target for USDC to the upside. Now what I will say is the following: I would personally like to see a small retracement. If you're looking for an entry, it's getting a little bit overextended. There's a good chance that you actually want to come up here to the 7377 and take the wick outside there. And by the look of things, if you do get super bullish and mega bullish, then USDC is looking to even go back to $1. I believe so. That would be amazing. If you do come up to 0.11, then you're just like 9x away, 10x away to actually go back to the dollar region. And it seems like probably you could be doing that anytime soon. But damn, I'm actually in huge profits with it. I'm still holding it. Now the thing is, the next thing is, the best thing about it is you've already crossed the golden ratio. I want to see, a little bit of retracement if you want to look for an entry. This is for the people who are looking for an entry. Just a little bit of an, back test of the golden ratio. Back test the golden ratio, maybe make a bull flag right like this. The prices just comes a little bit with the candle squeeze down here. Maybe make a pennant like that, move sideways. And then you break that pennant. You take the entry at the 4776, and you're looking for another huge pump all the way to the 0.11585. And if you do take an entry right there, that's going to be amazing continuation all the way for 140% to the upside. Now Bitcoin is even dumping. It's looking a little bit weird, but we're not looking at any signs of stopping for USDC. Now it's a little bit overextended. I wouldn't suggest the big green candles. Okay, I wouldn't suggest big green candles. At least wait for a little bit of retracement. If anyone is looking to enter, do not invest blindly. Always invest with a strategy. My strategy, though, because this is just a video for you to understand, that it has to come down a little bit to retrace to the 0.618, make a little bit of a back test, make a successful retest, and that will be amazing entry to go back all the way up to that price target. When it comes up here, I don't know what's going to happen next. Maybe come all the way down, retrace a little bit, maybe make sideways movement. I'm not sure. You could actually get overextended, go to $1. I don't know. But what's actually near right now is to make a retracement. If it doesn't do that, I don't know. Who knows? This is like for the first time you might see a coin just keep mourning all the way up. But I don't think that, they all go impulsively. Okay, up, impulsive move, correction move, then up, impulsive move, correction move, and then goes up. That's just how trading works. That's how crypto is really designed. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one.